Okay, friends, I hope that you were able to come up with a fun opinion that you want to write about, or that you were able to use one of my opinion writing prompts for this. If you go to the next slide, you will see that we have a graphic organizer called Oreos. And this is a graphic organizer for writing opinion writing. If you would like to, or if you have access to a printer, you can go ahead and print out that graphic organizer. I have it on the next slide, but I also have it linked on the writing section of this assignment so that it's a little bit easier for you to print out. But I don't have access to a printer. I'm sure that some of you don't either. So you can also just write out the graphic organizer like I have on this piece of paper. So the reason why we call this an Oreo opinion writing is if you look at how Oreo is spelled, O-R-E-O, it kind of is an acronym for how we write our opinion writing. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm actually gonna see if I can show this to you. So the first letter of Oreo is O, and that is for opinion. When we are writing our opinion writing, we want to start with first just being clear about what the opinion is that we are writing about. The next thing is R, the next letter in the word Oreo, which stands for reason. What is the reason that you have this opinion? This opinion didn't just come out of nowhere. What is some reason to have this opinion? The next letter in Oreo is E, which stands for example. So after you've shared your reason, I want to hear an example of that reason. And then at the very end, you are going to restate your opinion. So now that you have given all these reasons and examples, you're going to restate your opinion. The R and E, reason and example part, you can do that as many times as you want. So you could have 4 reasons with examples, 2 reasons with examples, however many you think is fitting to really state your opinion clearly. So I have over here rewritten the Oreo graphic organizer just because I don't have a printer. So I want you to go ahead and start filling this out. So the opinion that I'm going to write about today is I'm going to write about why summer is the best season. I think that summer is the best season, the best time to be alive, and I'm always just so excited about summer. So that's what I'm going to write about. So on the very first part of my graphic organizer, I'm going to write my opinion. Summer is the best season. I want you to go ahead and write in also in your opinion section what your opinion is. Again, this is just an outline, and this is just us getting our ideas on paper. Don't get too crazy about trying to spell everything right and get the punctuation and everything correct. Right now, it's just about dumping what's in our brain onto our paper. We'll work on editing it later. So, opinion, summer is the best season. Reason, there are a lot of fun, warm weather activities. So that's one reason why I think summer is the best season. An example is, for example, I'm trying to think of what my favorite warm weather activity is. Water balloon fights. So I'm gonna go down my list and I'm gonna fill this out with another reason and example. I actually think that I can come up with another reason and example. So I'm gonna put 3 reasons and examples. You're welcome to do the same, or you can just stick with the 2 that are on the graphic organizer. And then I'm going to restate my opinion again on the bottom here. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, work on that. You work on that as well. And when you have finished that up, go ahead and go to the next slide. See you soon.